To create email campaign, navigate to Campaigns tab. Click Create Campaign button. Choose Email Campaign option and select a subscriber list or a segment. Click Next. Fill in campaign name. Adjust the name and email address that recipients see, or permission reminder, if needed. Next. Enter a compelling subject line for your email message. Now choose how you want to create your message content. You can create content from scratch. Using basic layout, upload your HTML source template. Or using beautiful pre-designed templates, which are fully customizable. You can modify all content blocks to your liking. Use drag and drop editor to add additional content, such as image, button, text, or social media icons. When completed, save and exit. Next. You can set resend of this message to recipients who never opened or never clicked in your message. You may also want to share your campaign with social networks. In the last campaign creation step, before activating your campaign, double-check if all information and settings for the campaign are correct. You can send your campaign right away, or schedule it for later at your chosen time. Before activating, it's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself and some of your colleagues. If everything looks good, hit Activate button.